Welcome to Tweetsie Railroad and a day out with Thomas.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Roaming with the Richards. I'm Angelica, this is Jonathan, and we are back in Tweetsie Railroad. So we're here for the Thomas and Friends party tour. This is the 80th anniversary of the Thomas and Friends, starting with the book, of course. You know, the show started about in the 80s, but so we are gonna see Thomas the Train and ride on the, is it engine 190 that's running today?
Yep, engine 190 yep. Yukon Queen.
So we're gonna ride on the Yukon Queen, and Thomas the tank engine is gonna be helping pull the train today. Yep. And see what other fun activities are here. I know they've got some activities over in the Hacienda area that are Thomas the Train themed. They've got the gift shop and different things throughout the park. So
yep.
let's come along with us and join the party.
Yeah. Thomas himself is decked out in party streamers and stuff, kind of just decked out for his party. All right, so either once you get off the train, depending on your train time, or if you're waiting on your train time, you can go down to the Hacienda area, and that is where you get to meet. You kind of have some different photo ops.
Sir Topham hat is down there.
Yeah, this is where you meet him.
They've usually got toys and different things to do.
I think the toys is more so, is it the toys over here as well?
Usually, yeah. I mean, there's some in the store as well to buy, but I think they have some to play with over here usually.
Yeah, that's right. Over here in the Hacienda area is more so like the activity type center. So, but we're gonna go see what they have out this year. All right, so while you're walking the Hacienda Trail, going to the I guess you can say the activity center.
Play pod.
Yeah, the play pod. You have a photo spot over here with Percy and Ashima. Ain't gonna lie, I don't remember her at all either. So, but anyway, this is what the photo spot looks like. And then on the outside area of the play pod, you have a badminton kind of play spot.
Yeah.
This is where the bubbles used to be at times.
For the bubble, that was the
during
bubble
the bubble tour.
Yeah.
And then I think it was hula hoops and stuff.
Yeah, some different yard games last year, I think, something like that.
Yeah. So we're gonna go walk over to the play pod area now. All right. So in the play pod, that is also where you get to meet Sir Topham Hat, and he's pretty much available for 30-minute time frames every hour. And so we're gonna see if we can get a picture, or at least a little short bit of Charlotte meeting him. So in the play pod area is where you can also do some coloring, like Angelica's doing right now. They have like different trains and just different points that they can color to pretty much have a good coloring activity for the kids. To the left of it would be some blocks to build on, connect 4, and then on the table over here you do have the train sets that you can buy over in the gift shop, but your kid can play for free right now. So you can also get a tattoo over by the tattoo station, or so pick out a tattoo that you go to the bathroom and put the tattoo on over there. But you can pick out Thomas, Nia, Sir Topham Hat, Diesel, Kanya, and Percy. They also have the tablet game as well, like they've done in years past, where each one is a different game that you can try out. So when you're up here at the Hacienda area during the Day Out with Thomas event, you can also get up closer to the fence, actually be almost on top of the dead horse trestle, and see the train run by this way.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go to Spencer's to get one.
All right, so next stop for us is going into the pavilion, or the words, the gift shop. All right, so they do have the plushies again, and this is for Nia and Percy. You have your Thomas the train whistle. It's the party themed one too. You have different tote bags.
Vintage one.
Yeah, vintage one right here. What is that? A Thomas hooded towel for your little ones. And this is also another kind of look that they got displayed on the wall. Now they have the Christmas ornament as well. I think every tree needs that. What do you think, Bonnie?
Yeah.
I mean, look at that. We're gonna get a better shot right over here. You can get a snack case, lunch boxes, two different kinds, a yellow one and a blue version. And then you have a fleece blanket for $24.99. Now, this is where we bought the bamboo cups
It was.
last year.
These are the same cups.
Yep, we love these cups. Our toddler loves these cups, and it's a pack of 3 for $10.99.
You can get some crazy straws to go with them.
Yeah, you can go get some crazy straws to go with them. And then here's the kind of keep up with the lunch boxes. You can get yourself a Thomas water bottle for your kids. And then there's the Thomas mug. That's a great winter edition for hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Well, you got some vintage hats. That's actually pretty neat. I really like how the vintage hats look.
Yeah, they're cute. And this one's a little bit more subtle.
Yeah, that one's a little bit more subtle. They've got navy blue, blue. Then you have the boys and girls conductor's hat and a bucket hat. Now, you know those toys that we showed off over in the play pot area? Well, this is where you can buy them at. and they have tons of them. About a lot of tables worth. About 8 tables worth, 10 tables worth of nothing but of the train sets that you can buy. Like this one right here, the Talking Bulstrode in Which Way Bridge. Did I say that right? I don't think I said that right.
I think you said that right.
Well, the Fix 'em Up Friends. This is the one that we kind of showed off a little bit more, and this is the Talking Cranky Delivery Train Set. And what is this one that you're playing with the clock on?
It is My First Knapford Station, so this is for the littlest ones.
They also have wooden train sets, like the wooden railway, like the figure 8 right here, the Brendam docks, the train station. I like the train station still.
Yeah, the train stations are neat.
Yep, and then you have the sheds. Now we got in this one last year. This is probably our daughter's favorite Thomas train set toy.
Yeah, the Trains and Cranes Super Tower.
Oh, this thing, like it's literally just as tall as she is.
Yes, they did have one set up down at the other side to play with.
Yep. I don't think we showed it off this year though.
No, but y'all can see it from last year for sure.
Now they do have like a couple like kind of showing off as far as just a display here as well, which is the Crystal Case Adventure set. This is actually neat, but it's about to go off. And it fell.
Let me fix it. Hold on.
Take 2.
There you go. Now it went back up.
Very important piece. This piece right here.
It fell. That's the anchor.
If you don't want the train sets, but you just want the trains, you can get some over here, like Edward, Gordon, Diesel, and there's James, Hyro, is that right? I don't know. Kenji, Naya, and Henry. I was told they don't have the 24 Thomas exclusive, but they do have the 2022 and the 23, which the 23 was the paint one. And they also have the 2022. This is the year that we did not go this year, but it looks like it was like a star themed, I guess. Like, you'll let us know what theme that was. But for the 2025 exclusive, you can get the like a motorized version of it, which would look like that. We'll kind of get down here. See if I get the. Oh, there we go. We got it to focus now. But anyway, looks like that, and it also has icing it and sprinkles on top. And lastly, over here, you have the minis, the Thomas minis. And all the different, all of his different prints and different looks. Plus, for $21.99, you get pick your own minis, and there's the kit to go with it. All right, we kind of overglanced the shirts over here. So we do have different shirts for $20 that your kids can have, and adults too. Thomas' #1 fan. And it looks like that's the front of it, and over here is the back of it. Just above that, it's like a kid's jacket, front and back, that has the Steam Team on it. Then you have I Rode the Rails shirt, just a party shirt for Thomas, and Thomas and Percy, best friends forever. right, so it is time for our train ride.
Yep.
So we're gonna go ahead and choose the car. I think we normally try to do number 3 or number 4.
Number 3 to me is the best view. If you sit in the middle of the car, you're like right there seeing everything.
Number 4, if you sit in the very front, you get a really good view that way as well.
Yeah.
Number 2 in the very back.
Yeah.
But number 3 is kind of right there in that middle.
Yep.
So we're gonna try see if we can get on number 3 and go check out the train ride and the show.
Let's go.
All aboard the Tweetsie Railroad. Thomas, Casey Jones, let's ride. The train is clear.
This here is Dead Horse Canyon, folks. Once we get across this trestle, we'll be cut off from civilization for a while. So keep a sharp lookout. They don't call it the Wild West for nothing, you know. People often ask me where the name Tweetsy originated. Well, you see, engine number 12 is the only surviving locomotive of the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad. From 1916 until 1940, the railroad ran daily between Johnson City, Tennessee and Boone, North Carolina. The mountain folk called the railroad Tweetsy because of the sound the whistle made as it echoed through these hills. Tweetsy came back to the islands in 1957 and was soon joined by another steam locomotive, the number 190, which is helping Thomas pull our train today. And let me tell you, we're mighty proud that Thomas, the tank engineer, is with us on this trip. Yep, this is what I was afraid of. I think we got us some sort of situation here at Fort Boone. We'll be stopping the train to find out what's going on. Hold on, folks. Be ready for anything.
La 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 la. Now, Sticks, where are those troopers? I thought they were supposed to be here to pick up payroll shipments.
They were supposed to be out here, weren't they? I hope none of them red shirt bandits heard about that payroll.
Red shirt bandits? What do you mean bandits?
Oh, Dobby, you know, bandits, desperados, daredevils, I could even say,
There you go, bandits.
bad guys!
Now, just wait 1 second there. Now, I don't know if they're bad guys, okay? Just because you're a bad guy doesn't mean you're a bad guy.
Yeah, maybe they're just, misunderstood.
Misunderstood guys.
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't like this. Well, tell you what, Dottie, Mikey, you two come with me. We're gonna go inside that fort. Cool. You two stay out here. Well, just see any of them troopers come by, you holler at us, all right?
Got it.
You got it, dude.
And Thomas, you keep an eye on these passengers.
Ah! Say, what's wrong with you fellas, huh?
I went swimming. There's water in my ear.
Yeah, I just got splashed a little bit by that
Yeah.
well over there.
Tweetsy's new water ride.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it looks like we're gonna need more help than we thought, folks. See, now we've heard reports of red shirt wearing bandits around here lately. So if you see any of them, I want you to scream, shout, and holler as loud as you can, all right? I heard one all right. I said all right? That's a little better considering how full the train is. Thomas, you keep watch over the passengers.
We'll miss you. They fell for it. Oh, we're the red shirt bandits! Well, please hold your applause. All right, I've already robbed you guys over there. Oh, thank you. We're gonna rob you. And especially you.
Not
I'll
you, and you! Not you, you're wearing red.
Yeah! And nobody can stop us. Isn't that right?
That's right, not even you, Thomas!
I hate you. Yeah. Hey, it's about time you showed up, Whiplash. Hi. Oh, okay. Pizza delivery.
Pizza delivery. You ordered pizza?
Yeah, of course I did. I ordered a Diet Dr. Pepper with it, too.
Oh,
Wait, where's my pizza?
bad reference. What's going on? What? You said red shirt bandits.
We were just in there, though.
Where's that?
What are y'all talking about? No, but we were just in there, though.
Alright.
Turn around. Are you sure?
Okay, alright.
Okay,
One at a
okay.
time, one at a time.
Okay.
I'm seeing fingers pointing up there and that.
Yeah, I say, come on, Marshall,
Turn
let's
around.
turn around real quick.
Okay, alright, I'll look
There's
around.
nobody back there. What are y'all talking about?
Are you messing
Behind
with
you?
me?
Are you sure?
Oh, he's there
Oh,
again. As soon as I turn
Okay,
around, he's
okay,
there
okay.
again.
Look, we're gonna turn around. I'm gonna look. Okay, I'm gonna look.
Up there again.
Look at.
I'm turning around a second time. You want?
Yeah, let's. Marshall, that's just Dottie.
Dottie's sake. She's not even wearing a red shirt. Dottie, can you please tell these lovely people on the train that there are no red shirt bandits inside this fort?
Now, you know what, Sticks? I'd love to, but I can't.
What do you mean you can't?
There's bandits everywhere.
Bandits everywhere. What's that? There's some sort of
Where did you get that?
Let me get you behind me. Next there is the legendary Blue Scout.
Thank you, Thomas. I'm glad somebody out here knows what they're talking about. I've been guarding the fort while the troopers are out on patrol. Looks like I got here just in time. You can see what the Thomas whistle does to these bad guys. Why shall I say your gold shipment and these passengers are safe from these no-good bandits and their fancy red shirts?
Yeah, red like James.
That's a good one.
I have force to protect.
Alright, well thank you, Blue Scout, and thank you, Thomas.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to get back to town and tell Sir Tuck that. Woo!
All right, everyone, please return to your seats and have a great big round of applause for the Tweetsy Cowboys, Cowgirls, and Thomas for saving the day. Thank you, Thomas. Thomas, Casey Jones, let's get this train on back to town.
Like I said, anything can happen out here in the Wild West. Thanks for your help, Thomas. That was a close call. Listen, let's head back before anything else goes haywire. Until the train has come to a complete stop. Then exit out the back of your cars. And watch your step. We want to make sure y'all come back to ride again and again. The town folks who rode with you today can give you directions to wherever you need to go from here. Bye now.
Welcome back to town, folks. Once again, please remain seated until the train has come to a safe and complete stop. And the train cars have finished rolling backwards.
Alright, I think it's time to go in the Fudge Works.
Yes, I agree.
We always love going into the Fudge shop over here just to see what they have. Sometimes and sometimes they don't. They may have something themed.
They might have some blue train sticks.
Yep. Now they have s'mores and s'more sticks. So they always have train sticks, but I like to think that the blue one that was themed was this year.
Yeah.
That's what.
I like the gummy bear.
Yeah, that's what we normally would just look at it as. So we kind of showed off as much stuff as we can down here.
Yeah.
We know there's not much up Miners Mountain that's Thomas related, but there's always a little bit of this place.
Yeah, or
somewhat.
like a poster.
Yeah,
so.
but I just want to, it's still fun to see, fun to show off. So
and let Charlotte ride some rides up there too.
Oh yeah, because it's, we're going to show off that as well. You got Mouse Mine still, the Scrambler, the kiddie swings, the deer park.
Yeah.
So it's still the fun activities that they got up there as well.
Back to town, folks. Once again, please remain seated until the train has come to a safe and complete stop. And the train cars have been road rolling backwards.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for us here today at Tweetsie Railroad. This event's always fun. The Day Out with Thomas events are always fun. If you haven't done it yet, there is one more weekend when this video comes out, which is this coming up weekend. After that, it's pretty much you're gonna have to wait until next year for Tweetsy, or if you're in the North Carolina area, go into the Spencer area when it comes when Thomas comes there. Outside of that, I hope y'all enjoy the video, and if y'all did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch y'all next time.
Thanks for watching.
Later.
Casey, we're ready to back the train up.
Bye.